We are here today to teach you a super fun routine.
To get it started, we're gonna show you what it looks like with the music. We're gonna demonstrate it for you, so check it out.
You got to take a hold of your life, make it right, babe. You have so much to show for yourself. Take control of your life, do it right, babe. I'll be at your side for every step of the way. I'll be at your side.
All right, everybody, to get this combo started, we're gonna kind of assume this stance, like you saw in the demo. It starts right at the top of the song. There's not much of an intro to move around too much. So after those 3 beats, you're gonna come in on the 8, and you're gonna take this left arm, and you're gonna step forward on that left leg. Whoa. Beautiful. That's really your intro. It's a little bit conversational to go 8. Just a little intro step. You're gonna take this right leg that's free, and you're gonna step it out into a second position. You're gonna go grab and. So that's a 1 and. So it'll go 7, 8, 1 and. Perfect. Grabbing that at the bottom and then bringing it up into that broken T as you plie your legs down. Beautiful. 6, 7, hey, shiki. From here, I'm gonna take my right arm and I'm gonna slide over to my left side. Ha. Beautiful. And that all really goes right together. Shiki, ha. Beautiful. And like you see Austin and I doing, that right leg is just trailing behind us. This right arm is up above our heads in a loose point. You know us. If you've ever danced with us before, we love us a loose point. It's conversational, it's casual, it's cool. Get into the loose point. We've got 6, 7, we go 8, 1, 2. Beautiful. From here, I'm just gonna drop my right leg down, sha. Beautiful. So my right arm was up and I'm just gonna throw it right down by my side, boom. Beautiful. My right leg is bent up by my chest. Gorgeous. Don't make it too hard for yourself by leaving your chest up high. The more you bring your chest down, the less your leg has to travel to come meet you. So we slid out of this, we drop it down. There's 3 huge syncopated beats that go bow, 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 2, bow, bow, bow.
Nice.
Thank you so much. It carries really throughout the whole track. So
You can't miss them.
So, get comfortable with those beats, take them out to dinner. We're really gonna spend a lot of time with them in this combo. So we said ska, down. From here, we hit that first beat, bow. I just tap that heel down. I bring it back up and I do the same thing with my left arm. Bow, beautiful. From here, I hop out into a second position and I seat belt myself with my right hand. Sha, beautiful. So, to break it down, what my legs are doing out of that position, I'm just jumping into a wide second position, sha, and I'm bringing that left leg over. Beautiful. And just like Austin's doing, it's really like a seatbelt motion, like you're grabbing, almost like a magician, like pulling something out of your pocket, like sha. Yes, and then this left foot is gonna slice behind my right foot. Beautiful. So the pathway of my feet, and I promise this is so much easier fast. It's a little bit weird to break down footwork slowly, but hang with us. We go sha, snap. Yes, yes. You really want to snap that slap, snap that slap over. Sha, yeah. So it should really turn your body at the last minute. Sha.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
And I'm slapping my hands, kind of like this little clap right
So
there.
the right should be down when you end, and
Right.
the left should be up. Yeah.
Beautiful. That just came after you went down. You're right here in this position. That goes bow, bow, sha, ga. Yes.
Nice.
I know that's a little tricky. Let's take that from the top one more time. We've got 5, 6, 7. This is 8. 1, 2, 3. Bow, 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 sha. Yes, let's do it one more time for good luck. Redemption round if we need it.
Right.
We've got 5, 6, 7. This is 8. 1, 2, 3. Bow, bow, bow. Sha.
Nice.
Gorgeous.
Nice.
After that, sha. You're gonna replace your crossed feet left, right. So you're really just unpretzeling them. Sha. My right arm is gonna go point up, point down. Gorgeous. So you went sha and beautiful. So
And
that'll
you want
come
this
away.
bend in the right leg in the back to kind of sit back into it.
Yeah, again, no need to like absolutely smash it. It's, none of that.
It's subtle.
It's very like conversational and it's quick. So you really don't have time to do much. It'll be bow, 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 sha, gee, gee.
Yes.
Yes. Don't let that speed freak you out. I promise we won't leave you hanging. We'll walk you through it and we'll have it down perfect by the time we do it with music.
We got you.
We totally got you. So just to piece that together, it's 5, 6, 7, really, we start on the 8. So just to piece that together, we've got 5, 6, 7, this is 8. 1, 2, 3, bow, 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 6, 7, beautiful. And you guessed it, you're gonna be sick of hearing me say bow, bow, bow by the end of this. And 7, but here comes another one. You got ska. So all that is, I'm hitting my head to the left side, and it's really rebounding right off of it. Perfect. So it's 1 count, not 1, 2. Make sure you're just going sha. And at the same time, that finger that's pointing front just goes sha, directing that motion of your head. Beautiful. 7, ga. From here, my arm that's in front is gonna pull behind, kind of like deodorant. Just putting some deodorant on that right pit.
That path.
And 7, ga, ga. And when you initiate that pull, my body switches, sha, and comes to the front. My weight shifts onto that front leg. Beautiful. So you've got look, pull. And on that third beat, we're gonna go into this little groove that switches our pelvis to the side. Beautiful. That's gonna make a lot more sense in a second. Just know that your feet are planted here, sha, weight shifts forward, sha, and then we're gonna get into this groove. Hey, and let's just get this groove for a second, okay? If you know us, we like to get you a little accustomed to the groove before we just
makes
throw
it
you
feel so
into
much
it.
better, right, when you get into it.
Yeah. You gotta get to know her before you just throw it into a combo. So what you should focus on is really sitting back into those hips. So when you square off your knees to the right side, you're just gonna drop that pelvis back, 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 yes. And that rock, that jack of the beat should be leading you. And by that, I just mean the way our chests are rocking, and it kind of dictates that rhythm. Hey, hey. From the front, it looks like hey, hey. And again, if you're getting into these grooves and you need to loop it so that you can kind of get into it,
right,
or flip it to the back camera so you can see it from the back, that always helps me
That's definitely
a lot.
me. I need it from the back.
Yeah.
I cannot switch and mirror.
Totally. We like watching from the back too. So do whatever works best for you and get into those grooves so that you feel comfortable with them when you get to those points in the combo. So we just went 7, ska, ga, gi, 2. But the catch here, the catch is you sit and I'm gonna shove my right shoulder forward. Ha, yeah. That should be really, really cool. It should feel pretty like grimy too, like hey, hey. It should feel like you're hitting a wall with that shoulder, like ga.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cool, right? We've got hey, ga, and go back down again like you're gonna do another one. So I plant my foot on that and I reach my arms back out, shifting my hips to the back, but instead of doing 1, we jump back onto that, bow, bow, bow. And this will be bow, bow. So I'm cranking that knee in. It's really like, ga, ga.
Yeah.
Like you're pulling a lawnmower. Wow, my analogies really are not it today. You got sha, ga, and we're taking our 2 loose fists, and we're pulling those to our left hip as we pull that hip forward. Yeah, that should be like, this whole part is like pretty aggressive.
Right.
So really, really attack that. I'll walk you through that from the top so we can connect it all.
It's a lot, but we got you.
I also really think that this combo gets easier as it goes, so don't stress. I feel like this is the hardest part. We've got 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Ga, sha, gi, and hey, sha, ga, hey, sha, ga. Beautiful. From here, I'm just gonna release this kind of tense position. I'm gonna go, hey. It feels like it should feel like you're like releasing the tension into exactly the direction that the movement wants to kind of be resolved. So you just went ga, ha. And my arms are just coming up, sha.
Yeah, I was gonna make one note there. When you do those pulls, you wanna pull, hold on this last one so that your path for your arms are just gonna come up and over to kind of lengthen this side pull here. You should feel this like stretch all the way down your body. Ha, pull.
And that right foot is dragging behind you.
Yes.
Taking your weight off of it because you're about to step right onto it. So you go sha, that's 5. 6, you take this right foot and you step it to square yourself off to the back. 6, 7. So all I'm doing there is I'm taking my right arm and I'm going top shelf, bottom shelf.
Another point.
Yeah, just another point.
Point.
So you go 5, I step right, top shelf, I step left, bottom shelf. Beautiful. And just like you can see, we are looking.
So you actually look,
when
you point to the top, you're gonna look to the right, and then you finish looking to the left.
Beautiful.
Nice.
All right, everybody, to get you out of this backward stance, we won't leave you here. You're almost at the end of section 1. You just went 5, this is 6, 7. On 8, I'm gonna shift into this left side lunge. 8, bringing my arms right here by my armpits. And on I'm gonna slide back onto that right leg. Yeah. And it really does, it makes that sound in the music.
Sound, it's like
it should feel really good. But you do have to know that it's on the 8 and, which is a little tricky. You really have to listen for it. So when we demo it with the music, be sure you're really listening for that musicality in that song. Yeah, perfect. But that'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, and yes.
Nice.
And that, my friends, is the end of section 1.
Nice.
I hope you're feeling so confident and great. Don't stress out. We've got plenty of time to work things out, so make sure you're totally not stressing. We totally got you. All right, we're gonna walk through that super slow from the top so we can start to piece those steps together. We've got 5, 6, 7. This is 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and yes.
Nice.
It is tricky syncopation, so really just give yourself some time to get it right. Nobody expects you to be getting it right on the first time.
Slow it down if you
Slow
have
it
to.
down.
Go back.
I know.
We got you.
I'm bad about putting pressure on myself too, so if you're doing that, from me to you, stop it. We're gonna get through this together, I promise. We've got a little bit faster this time. We'll do like medium tempo here. We've got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gi, sha, ga, gi, da. Hey, 6, 7, 8, and
nice.
yes.
Awesome job.
Yeah, you guys are doing awesome. Again, if you need to loop this, if you need to slow it down, absolutely do so. Take your time. All right. I suppose this is tempo. Everybody, put your seatbelts on, literally. We got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ga, shiki, ga. Hey, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nice.
Hey.
Awesome job. Take a quick breather, grab some water. We're going to show you what section 1 looks like with music. Here we go.
You got to take a hold of your life, make it right. Hey, you have so much to show
Nice work.
All right, you got your breath, you got your water. Now it's time to get up and try it with us. But remember, the beginning comes in a little quick. It actually starts right on the 5, 6, 7, 8. So be ready. There's those 3 beats, and it starts right on the 5. Let's get it.
You got to take a hold of your life, make it right, babe. You have so much to show for yourself. Take control of your life.
Nice. So right now, just start getting used to that whole thing. It starts right away on the 5. As soon as you hear the music, it's 5, 6, 7, go.
Yeah, it comes in quick.
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk through section 1. We're gonna clear up some of those details. Just make sure we're all on the same page before we move on to the next section.